Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the idioms lecture 4, and these are the idioms of actions and behavior. So first of all, that is add fuel to the flames. We can also use it add fuel to the fire, means to make a problem worse. जलती पे तेल डालना. And second, be all ears means listen attentively, पूरी तवज्जो से सुनना. Third, answer the call of nature. Go to the toilet means रफा हाजत के लिए जाना. Fourth, badger someone into. Pressurize someone to do something. किसी को कोई काम करने पर मजबूर करना. And fifth, bare your heart or bare your soul mean reveal your innermost thoughts. दिल का हाल सुनाना. Sixth, beat a hasty retreat. फसपा होना. To withdraw very quickly. Seventh, one's best bet. किसी का बेहतरीन तरीका. The action most likely to succeed. Eight, bide your time. Wait for a good opportunity. अच्छे वक्त का इंतज़ार करना. Ninth, bite the hands that feeds you. Means जिस थाली में खाना फिर उसी में छेद करना. Harm someone who is kind to you. Tenth, blot one's copybook. अपने पाँव पर कुल्हाड़ी मारना. Do something to spoil one's good reputation. 11th, break every rule in the book. जायज़ या नाजायज़ तरीके से कोई काम करना. Do something in an unacceptable way. 12th, breathe down neck. Watch someone closely. किसी के सर पर सवार हो जाना. 13th, bring home the bacon. कमाई करना. To earn a salary. And 14th, brush up something means नजरेसानी करना. To review something. 15th, buckle down to something. To settle down to something. पूरी तवज्जो देना. 16th, build bridges. सुलह या समझौता करवाना. Reunite. And 17th, build castle in the air. दिन में ख्वाब देखना. To daydream. 18th, bungle things up. काम बिगाड़ देना. To do something wrong. 19th, burn one's bridges. Make an irreparable blunder. संगीन गलती करना. And 20th, burn the candle at both ends. सख्त मेहनत करना. Do hard work. 21, burn the midnight oil. To stay up working late at night. रात को सख्त मेहनत करना. 22, burn your finger. Suffer financially due to foolish manner. माली नुकसान उठाना. And 23, bury head in sand. Mean hide from obvious danger. नजरें चुराना. 24, bury the hatchet. इख्तलाफात ख़त्म करना. To end all resentments. 25, call a spade. सच्ची और खरी बात करना. To speak frankly. 26, call it a day. इस्तीफ़ा देना. To work and go home mean resign. 27, call it a night. काम छोड़कर सोने के लिए जाना. To end what is going and go to bed. 28, call someone on the carpet. अपने मातहत किसी को बुलाकर उसकी डांट डपट करना. To reprimand a person. 29, call the shots. To make decision. फैसला करना. 30, cap in hand, ask for something in a respectful way. एहतराम से कोई चीज़ मांगना। 31. Carry coal to the new castle. उल्टे बांस बरेली को या उल्टी गंगा बहना। Do something unnecessary. 32. Carry the day. To be successful. कामयाबी हासिल करना। 33. Carve out a name for yourself. मकाम पैदा करना। Do something to be famous. 34. Cash in one's chips. इंतकाल होना, to die. 35. Cash in on an opportunity. मौके का फ़ायदा उठाना. And cast aspersion on. Make a rude and insulting remarks. किसी का मजाक उड़ाना. Cast pearls before swine. भैंस के आगे बीन बजाना. To wish something good for someone who doesn't care about. 38. Catch a snooze. थोड़ी देर के लिए सोना means take a nap. 39. Chalk up to experience. गलतियों से सबक सीखना. Learn from your mistakes. And the last 40. Chew the fat. Talk very informally. गपशप करना. And this is the last 41. Clear the air. To get rid of doubts. गलतफहमियाँ दूर करना. So this is for today's lecture number 4, and these are the idioms. Very interesting, very beautiful idioms that belongs to your actions and behaviors. If you will use these idioms in your essay or in your paragraph, definitely it will add flaws to your writing. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.